Yay! Well played, my girl. High five. Well played. Hey, Goody, don't remove the chairs. Bring the other chairs also here.
Why?
Oh, what happened? Why did you tell them to stop? My mother-in-law is calling repeatedly. Let's finish it fast.
I know that everyone's in a hurry here. But I'm seeing a preparation since I was here. And I feel that you should forget all the preparation and office work and take out some time for yourself for the next 10 minutes. That's why I want all the women to play musical chairs.
Nice.
Yes, you read my mind.
Come on, let's get ready.
On.
Let's have some music. Come on, Aunt Lily, come on. Did I stop? Okay. Hey. Action, come on, music. Yes.
Buddy, why are you so quiet?
Everyone is cheering for their moms. But my mom is in London. So how can I cheer for her?
Oh my, it's true. I will do something. Hey, wait. Everyone wait for a moment. Today it would have been so much fun if Neha was here. Yash is there as her replacement, right? He can play for sure.
No, I cannot do it. No. I cannot. No, please.
Friend, please play for my sake.
Yes.
Dear, it's all women. How can I play with them?
Please, friend. Or the both of us can play.
Yes, come on. Buddy, buddy. Yes, yes. Buddy, yes, buddy. Yes, buddy. Yes, buddy. Yes, buddy. Yes, buddy.
Yay! I sat on the chair. Yay!
Oh.
Oh, Yash, this is your chair. Look, Pari sat on it.
Friend, come fast. I have sat on the chair.
Yes,
Buddy,
yes,
buddy,
buddy.
buddy,
Yes, buddy.
buddy.
Yes, buddy.
Buddy,
Yay. Yes, buddy. Yes, buddy.
Well played.
Oh,
You went ahead on purpose, right?
But no, that music stopped and we were ahead. So that lady won.
No, you went ahead on purpose.
No, dear.
But why did you go ahead?
Yes, I went ahead on purpose.
If mom would have been there, then she would have also done the same thing. She doesn't win herself. She lets others win.
I know.
Mom tells that Almighty have given a very big gift named Pari. So what more can she wish for?
My dear, I know. Okay.
thank you.
Eh, what for?
What do you mean? We had such a good time since you were here today.
But it was your idea, Oli.
selfie, selfie.
Hey, sure, come.
Sister Goody.
Come.
Ojas' birthday bash. There is time for the meeting. Shall I call Yash?
That's why it's very messed.
Excuse me one moment. Hey,
What is it? What's going on?
I had bought Pari here for Otis's birthday. I told you, right?
You brought Pari to the party, but you are having fun.
Meaning?
I understand everything. You played with everyone and bonded with everyone. What's going on?
Then you reached London too.
I'm on the society group, so I got all the messages. I got the photo and video on the group.
I'm filling in for you here.
Yes, I understand. Pari will be happy, right?
Too much. But I felt a bit awkward in the beginning.
You gelled well with everyone.
Are you making fun of me?
No, on the contrary, I am praising you really. I know that women have to work so much during the birthday. They could have fun since you were with them. Thank you so much.
We had fun and that much work too. Really, Neha, I'm really surprised by your women. You guys are really great. I mean, you take care of the house and work too. I'm proud of you. But every woman present here was multitasking. How much a person wants and how much to give them, how much to save and how to save it, how to discipline the kids by speaking sweetly to them, how to manage all that on time. My goodness, I mean, a woman was doing at least 5 things at once. You do so much multitasking which can even put a businessman to shame. Seriously, hats off to you guys. Why are you laughing?
Yash, look behind you.
I'm not joking, I'm serious.
Neha! Neha! Mom! Ojas' mother, Aunt Lele, Neha has called. Speak with Neha.
Can we also speak with our friend?
Hi! Hi!
Hi, how are you all?
Neha, you are very lucky. You will get a husband like Yash.
Hey Yash, not only help us celebrate Ojas' birthday, but we all enjoyed a lot with him. A husband should be like this.
Yes! Bye! What Yash?
The wafers are over, go and get some. Yes, my little one.
Thank you, friend.
What did you say?
Thank you, friend. I had so much fun without mom because of you.
You enjoyed it, right?
Yes.
That's it. What more do we want?
Yay! Friend was just clueless.
Is it?
Yes.
Then?
He was about to lose. But we got a cheer since I was there.
Hey, did friend understood that game in the end?
Yes. And we had a fun too.
Is it?
Friend and I had fun just like how mom and I have fun.
Is it? Pari, we shall keep musical chairs on your birthday too. I mean, we will celebrate your birthday here in the lawn.
Yes.
And we shall invite all your friends too. Okay?
Oh, just two?
Yes.
Wow.
He is your best friend, right? We should call him for sure. And why him only? We shall call all your friends. Aunt and uncle, sister Goody, Oja's mother. We shall call everyone.
Yay.
Mithila, come here. Are you planning to donate to the beggars?
Beggars? I didn't understand anything. What are you talking about?
This. You're talking about calling all the people? I'm speaking of that. Do you want to spend all this on this girl?
No. I was planning about her birthday.
First, see what is your value in this house. First, understand that, then celebrate others' birthday. Got it? Neha has trusted you even after you are childless and told you to take care of Pari. And what all are you feeling? What you have got, all this has come to you with great difficulty. Don't distribute it among other people. Here comes the old man. Now I will have to speak good about Pari in front of him. Let's speak. Let him also feel that. Mithila feels too much for Pari. She likes Pari a lot. So that I can get the will made from this old man by making this Mithila a scapegoat. My goodness. I have made a very big plan. I will have to play step by step. Are you ready? Mithila, you made a very good plan for Pari. No, really, I agree with your decision. I mean, we should keep some money aside for the sake of Pari's future education. But from where will you get so much money? You will have to speak with Vishwajit about it, right? Oh my goodness. He also should have money, right? Mithila, I really understand your feelings. But please don't show such dreams to kids when we ourselves don't have so much money. I think now he understood it.
Yes, I understood, sister. I will speak with him.
Hey, who is talking to you?
Grandma Mithila,
Yes, dear.
do you know? Friend went to bring new books for me.
Is it?
New school, new books. I will have lot of fun.
Wow, it's so nice. You are just have too much fun.
Shall I, sir? Water, sir.
Oh, my goodness.
Sir, is your head paining? Wow.
Why, wow?
Sir, I do a very good head massage. It's a solid. Suresh's hand is an enemy of head pain. My wife says that, sir. The thing is that once all the work is done, then I only massage her head.
Wow.
Here. Come, I will end the matter now.
No, not
Come
my
on,
head.
sir.
No,
Hey,
hey,
sir,
Suresh, don't
what is
massage
there
my
in
head.
that? Come on.
Oh no, Suresh.
Shall I tell you something, sir? If I had not been so close to our big boss, then I would have been a mess, sir. What happened, sir?
It's paining a lot here, yes.
No, sir. We have one head. But there are 1,000 types of head pain. If we have gallbladder, then our head pain here. If we get tense, then the back part will pain. If your eyesight become weak, then your head will spin to this side. Your head will become heavy, sir. And if the wife's family comes to live, then our head goes crazy. There are many types of it, sir.
It's too different. I'm sleepy. I'm feeling too sleepy.
Sir, today. Sir, today you are late. Did you have some work?
Work? I had some extra work, so I got late due to that.
Extra work?
It's not work, Suresh. It's responsibility. We have to do it. We have to take care. I mean, it's not tension or pain. I'm doing it on my own, but I'm taking some time getting used to it.
Sir, is that work done?
Done. Oh, goodness. It's not for one day, Suresh. I will have to pay attention for a few days.
He is surely stuck somewhere.
Is it some special work? For how many days will that work
Suresh,
continue?
what is this? Why are you asking so many questions? Are you Shefali or Suresh? Are you here to calm my head pain or give me more pain? It seems as if Shefali is standing here along with a list of questions firing at me. One Shefali is enough.
Really, Sameer? Is one Shefali enough?
Suresh? Are you pranking me? What is this, Suresh? Can't you tell me?
Actually, sir,
What are you doing? What are you doing? Can't you tell me that Charulata is here? And you're asking me nonsense questions. I didn't realize what I was saying in front of her.
Sameer, it's fine, okay. I only told him not to say anything, okay?
Why?
Suresh,
He keeps acting smart. Wait. Go.
Sameer. Actually, you can tell me the truth.
What?
Where are you going nowadays?
Where do I go? I don't go anywhere.
Surely.
Yes, sure. You had some work, right?
Yes. Check this file.
Okay.
Sameer, you are going with some special work, I know. I mean, no matter how tired you are, but you want to do that work with responsibility. You don't want to avoid it, right? In fact, you love all that. Sameer, it's all right, it's fine. If you don't want to tell me, then it's fine. But be honest with yourself.
What did she say? I'm doing this work as I like it. So I'm doing it with responsibility. It's not like that.
Friend, my new books are so nice.
Right? You like it?
Yes.
And I love the sweet smile which you got after seeing these new books.
Friend, shall we tell Uncle Bandu that my new books have arrived?
Is it? Fine then. Let's tell him. I'm calling Uncle Bandu. Here. Take this.
Hello, Uncle Bandu. Pari here.
Yes, Pari. How are you, dear?
I'm fine, Uncle. Uncle Bandu, today friend got me new books for new school. I'm in senior KG now.
Oh, then put nice covers on those books, okay? Keep them properly. And tell them to let you learn nicely the whole year. All right, Pari? And also...
Do friendship with them.
Yes!
Uncle, we will put covers on the book today itself.
We? Dear, but your Uncle Bandu is not with you.
Friend is here even though you are not here. Friend and I will put the cover.
Covers? I've never put covers on my book. I've always got covered books.